Their tax or lack of it, and committee chairman Labor's Sam Dastyari went straight to the point.
The structures that have been created within your firms, be it through Ireland or through Singapore or through the US or through wherever, have been designed to minimise your tax obligation in this country.
Between them, Google, Microsoft and Apple generate about $10 billion a year in revenue in Australia. Their total tax bill is less than $200 million.
Apple Australia pays all taxes it owes in accordance with Australian law.
A message all three companies delivered. What they didn't voluntarily say is that the vast majority of the revenue they generate in Australia is funnelled out of the country and out of the hands of the tax office.
Nobody is going to accept the explanation that you have a simple tax structure. So let's actually understand how we end up in Bermuda.
I'm not going to say that Google has a simple tax structure globally. What I would say is we have a simple tax structure in Australia,
which excludes the money Google earns from advertising.
The revenue that comes from Australia is taxed in Singapore.
Then a similar admission from Microsoft, which admitted it moved $2 billion to Singapore last year.
Products and services we sell to Australian customers are sold by our Singapore group.
According to investigative journalists in this country, says that Apple in Australia has moved almost $9 billion in untaxed profits to its operations in Ireland.
Apple in Australia is owned by Apple Ireland.
Earlier in the day, the tax commissioner estimated Australia was losing about $1 billion a year from arrangements like the ones being used by Google, Microsoft